Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve a blue screen error that you're experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer with the Microsoft Game Input Error. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on search menu. And the next step ay kailangan mo nang i-type yung device manager and then click mo lang tong open. So dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo nang select dito yung display adapters and then kailangan lang natin itong i-update yung drivers niya. Kung paano yan i-update, so i-click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand and then select mo lang dito yung Intel Graphics driver, ito siya. So click mo lang yan and then right click. And then select mo lang dito yung update drivers. So pop up tong dalawang options na pwede natin gawin na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. So select ka lang dito sa dalawa. And then select lang natin tong search automatically and then wait natin. Okay? So makikita mo dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. So ang next step ay cross lang natin tong device manager. So dito lang sa search menu, click mo lang yan and then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag right click dito and then next step ay select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. So click mo lang yan and then dito sa kanyang user account control, so i-click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So one word yung /scan now and then press mo lang yung enter. So makikita mo dito na beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications, phase of system scan, kailangan lang natin hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And makikita mo dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step ay close lang natin tong CMD and then dito lang si start menu at click mo lang to restart. Okay? So ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix the Microsoft Game Input causing blue screen update error in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.